Hey family, what's up? So we're here in my tiny kitchen and we're about to bake my favorite banana cake. It's a really delicious one and I'll teach you how to make it. Bananas are already here, okay? I cut them in smaller pieces. Also important, do not under any circumstance use green bananas. They need to be close to disgusting, okay? The closest to disgusting and edible, the better, all right? Now's the time for the eggs, broken and inside. Now, coconut oil, half a cup, okay? I just ended up pouring it. Now let's go with some brown sugar, okay? And then the oatmeal. The oatmeal. So, oatmeal 1 and oatmeal 2. My blender's almost full. It's okay, all right? Now we're going to start blending it a bit and we come back to finish with cinnamon and finally baking. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa.
Sure, playing Dua Lipa on Spotify.
And now we start. Oh wait, I almost forgot to say the container. So please you can use any you have at home. I greased it with coconut oil, all right? I did not use any kind of margarine or butter because sometimes people may be allergic or something, okay? And oh, let me show you that. Look how beautiful that sunset is. Inspiring, really. So okay, so make sure you grease it well, okay? And let's keep shaking. Okay, so in case this happens to yours, all right, you see there's like lots of oatmeal on top. Pick up a spoon, preferably do not use metal, okay? And you're just going to scratch the top just enough for it to go down, okay? Do not go all the way and be careful not to turn the blender on, okay? I have done this before and I've already lost many great spoons to that. So please don't be me. And then we shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Well, my blender's not that good, okay? So I have some techniques in case it's really heavy. So let me show that. So careful, good boy. Yeah. Now this way. Okay. Beautiful. Now it's time for some cinnamon. I love cinnamon, okay? I love the smell, I love the taste. So I put a lot. Like maybe a teaspoon, but a bit more because I love it. Now shake it! Okay, last but not the least, baking powder, babies. Come on. Let's get physical. It's ready. Now, let's place it over here. Ooh, this smells so good, you have no idea. Oh, I forgot something super important. Ah! Okay, so usually you use just put half of it. Put the nuts in the middle and then you put the rest. Well, let's see if it's gonna work. And well, after the nuts, this is it. I put some extra ones. If you want, you can use a spoon to sit them, but they will go down anyway, all right? And then last stage, the oven. I love Dua Lipa. Okay. There it is. Temperature. I'll leave it at 205 because my oven is not that good. So it'll be there for around 30 minutes exactly. Okay? 30-minute timer.
30 minutes. Starting now.
Yes. Meanwhile, I can't wait. I need to clean this. Ta-da! So, wash your dishes, don't forget that. And don't forget the cake. I gotta teach in a minute. So, let's just wait now. 30 minutes have passed. Let's check out how it is. My mom used to say, please do not open the oven before 30 minutes, okay? Never open it before it's time, because then it can all go bad and it'll be a terrible cake. I usually use a knife, okay, to check out. I tried it before and it wasn't ready, so I left like 10 minutes more, and let's check it out. I'm gonna stop the video, otherwise I'll burn myself. As you can see, it's still not clean, so I'm leaving it, but I need to be watching out, because if I leave it like extra 2-3 minutes, I can, mess it all up. So attention to that. 40 minutes have passed. This is not usual. Let's check how it is. I turned it off and I left it sit a bit here. Look. Ta-da! Looks beautiful. Let me get a knife, or I'm gonna pick up a fork. Let's see. See? Not 100% perfect, but it's good. Usually I go to the bottom. Oh my god, this is so delicious. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, so now it's time to transfer a cake from here to here. Ooh. Voila! Ta-da-da! It's ready, and it's beautiful, and it's perfect. I'm not gonna cut it down. Okay, people, so this was my cake. I hope you liked it, and if you want, try it out. I don't think it's that hard to make, and well, have a nice weekend. See you soon.